Hey there, this is Tia, and I know you have logged in so many accounts on Instagram app and now you want to remove some of them. So as always, let's go and see how we can remove Instagram multiple account in just 1 minute. Yeah, this is the shortest video on YouTube on this topic. So subscribe to this channel and follow these steps. Tap on this 3-line menu, then tap on settings. Now scroll down, you will see 4 options. Select the third one to remove current account and fourth option to remove all the accounts. You can follow the same for this account as well. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and I will catch you in the next one.